Want to let visitors book appointments directly on your Squarespace site? In this video, I'll show you how to add Calendly in just a few clicks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, log into your Calendly account and choose the event you want to feature. Next to it, click Share and select Add to Website. From the options, pick Inline Embed for the cleanest look, then hit Continue and copy the code provided. Now switch over to Squarespace and go to the page where you'd like the calendar to appear. Add a new block, choose Code, and paste the embed code you just copied. Preview it to make sure it looks right, then hit Save. And that's it. Your Calendly is now live on Squarespace, making it easy for clients to book with you directly. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more quick guides.